What if I told you that with no prior experience, no fancy degree, no existing background in data science, I'm about to engage on a journey of getting a degree in data science? Fantastic, right? Okay, here's the shocker. I was first a psychologist. Being a psychologist, first of all, honed me and prepared me for the journey ahead. I never knew what I was doing at the time, but along the line, it made sense because when I conducted my final year research in psychology, where I collected data and analyzed it and I gained insights, I never knew I was doing data analytics. But after graduation, and after that part, I became a data analyst. And from data analyst, I'm currently striving to become a data scientist, which led me to think about getting a degree in data science. So here I'll be sharing my journey, my challenges, my experiences, everything. I'll be sharing it on this space. So if this is something you want, stay tuned, stay glued while I take you on this journey. And this is letting anyone in a different field who started out in a non-tech field, that you can actually switch. You can make a change. You don't have any limitations to be there. You don't have any limitations that this is what you must do. You have the freedom to change. You have the freedom to try other things. Nobody is holding you back, right? You're the one holding yourself. So if tech is something you want, it must not be a data career you get. It must not be data analytics, data engineer, or data science. It can be something else. There are lots of them out there. There is cybersecurity. We have product managers. We have a lot of them, software engineering, and a lot of them. So having a computer science background in uni, having statistics background or mathematical background is not a limitation, but the limitation is in your mind. It's in your mind, because when you believe that this is what I want to do, you can achieve it. Nobody is limiting you to anything. So stay on this journey with me. Feel motivated, and if you want us to be accountability partner, I got you.